we do a problem based on Snell's law and critical angle. So one concept is refraction, means we use Snell's law. Also the other concept comes under total internal reflection. There we use a critical angle. Okay, let us see the problem. You see the problem is a ray of light is incident at the glass water interface. Here this is light ray incident from at a glass water interface, and at an angle of incidence I, angle of incidence is I, and finally the light ray emerges parallel to the surface of water. So this is the light ray incident from glass to water here. So angle of incidence I, and it refract into water from glass to water, and while coming from water to air it travel grazing the surfaces of air and water. So now you have to find what is the value of mu g, refractive index of glass. Four options are given. First option 4 by 3 sin I, second option 1 by sin I, third 4 by 3, and fourth option is sin I. Out of these four options, one option is correct. You have to find what is the value of mu g, refractive index of glass. Here children, first if you take these two here, from water to air, here from while coming from water to air, the refraction, angle of refraction is 90 degrees, because light ray traveling grazing the boundary of these two media. So here angle of refraction 90. So this angle of incidence in the denser medium, means water, this angle of incidence, that is R, that is a critical angle. So for water air media, R is the critical angle. So here from figure, for water air surface, for water air interface, R is the critical angle. R is equal to critical angle. R is the critical angle. Now we have one relation, refractive index of this water with respect to air. Refractive index of water with respect to air is 1 by sin C. So we have a formula. We have mu is equal to 1 by sin C. So based on this formula, mu, refractive index of water with respect to air, refractive index of water with respect to air is 1 by sin C. So here that is equal to 1 by sin C is R, critical angle is R, and the refractive index of air is 1. So therefore this you will get mu water by 1, refractive index of air is 1. This is equal to 1 by sin R. That means mu water equal to, therefore mu water is equal to 1 by sin R. So this we got information from this to this medium. Now here if you take these two medium, here I is angle of incidence, R is angle of refraction. So by Snell's law, so if you apply Snell's law for glass to water surface, for water glass interface, for water glass interface, sin I by sin R, sin I by sin R, sin I by sin R gives refractive index of water with respect to glass. Sin I by sin R gives refractive index of water with respect to glass. So here from here 1 by sin R is mu W. Here 1 by sin R is mu W. So this is mu W into sin I, mu W into sin I equal to mu W by mu glass, mu W by mu glass. Here mu W get cancelled. So from this you will get, from here you will get mu g is equal to 1 by sin I. From here you will get refractive index of glass equal to 1 by sin I. Therefore, the second option, refractive index of glass mu is equal to 1 by sin I. So, second option is correct. Therefore, option B is correct. Thank you.